And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
As I mentioned this morning, we're going to be watching kind of the satellite radar very closely from here on out over the next couple of hours. And the temperatures very interesting because we're seeing 40s to the north, where they're north of the warm front. 46 Rensselaer, 46 Rochester, 46 Logansport. Well, we were at 55 at about 9 o'clock. We went down to about 52. Then now we're back up to 54, and we'll likely go up now that clouds are starting to thin out, especially across southern Tippecanoe County, even down in Crawfordsville, Newmarket at 61. So you can tell where the cold front is, and it will slowly kind of sit in that area. You can barely see kind of where those low clouds are on satellite, but we do have active storms across southern Indiana. Nothing severe, just a few stronger cells. We're watching kind of this line right here, but an outflow boundary where you can't really see moving across the viewing area right now, but we'll kind of watch and see how these storms develop. The cold front's about, in this area near St. Louis. More storms will likely form out in front of that. But again, we'll be watching the radar closely as well as the satellite. You can see some of the clearing that occurred down in Crawfordsville and Montgomery County, down in Lebanon, and posted a picture on Facebook of sunshine down in Boone County. So looking at futurecasts, we will be watching again some light showers, possibly at about 1, 2 o'clock, and then more storms could form ahead of the main cold front. This is 3 o'clock going into 4 o'clock. Each one of these cells could be strong to severe, but the further east will be kind of the more favorable environment. I'll show you that here in just a second for more of those showers and storms to be very potent, very strong to severe later this afternoon. But we turn cloudy, cooler, 9 o'clock for us. We could even see a few snowflakes, a little bit of drizzle, some sleet tomorrow morning, and even throughout the day could see a mix of rain, sleet, and snow at times. 2 o'clock, and then wrapping around that low, some snow coming in by 6. We may see some elevated areas, maybe some grassy areas seeing a little bit of accumulation. And if there's a big burst of snow, there may be some slick spots on the roadways Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday, it'll be another dreary day with some scattered rain, maybe some sleet or flurry mixing in, but a little bit warmer. Here's a severe storm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center that was updated earlier this morning. Level 4, moderate risk out of 5, so it's the second highest risk that the National Storm Prediction Center puts out there for southeastern Indiana, central Ohio. Level 3, enhanced risk for portions from Indianapolis, Muncie, and eastward. For our area, we have that level 2, slight, and level 1, marginal risk. So 1 to 2 across the viewing area. Damaging winds, large hail look to be the main threat. Still can't rule out some isolated tornadoes out ahead of this cold front and some of these storms that we will potentially see in the coming hours. So I think from now until about 5, 6 o'clock is when we're going to be watching the radar closely for those storms to develop off to the west and see how they kind of work with this warm front that we have over us right now. And it's going to get windy too, gusts up to 40 miles per hour tonight, and then it's just blustery tomorrow, highs only in the 30s with some mix of rain and snow. So stay weather aware. Be sure to check back in with Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans this evening at 5 and 6 for the latest updates. 37 tomorrow, 43 Thursday. We'll get some sun out here Friday. Good sun here for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the upper to mid 50s. And then once we get to that all-important Monday solar eclipse forecast, we're watching a system that may be coming in for early next week. A lot can change between now and then, but it does look like we will be watching for maybe some clouds. I'm keeping it at that right now because we'll know a lot more, obviously, as we get closer to Monday.
Try to be positive, right?
Trying my best to be positive.
We want to see the solar eclipse, right, in full.
The hype has been really been going for the last several, well, for me, for years, because I've been so excited for this day. But hopefully we can get some nice blue skies out there.